What's going on, everybody from the YouTube nation? It's me, Morphin Orphan, and today we are doing a unboxing of what, you might ask? You probably saw it in the title. First package we got here is from Superrradical. This came in really late. I'm not even gonna lie. Every time I get Superrradical or narcotic, it takes forever to ship. Like, even when it does ship, it takes like 2 weeks for it to get here. Like, this shirt came out 2-3 weeks ago. This one of my buddies, he sent me a picture of the shirts that he got during the drop. Like, what the heck, Superrradical? Step your game up, bro. Fucking, but here we go. Okay. And this is, bro, they drew something on it, bro. They drew a bear. Damn, they said in their first 1,000 orders they would put in a sticker, bro. They lied to me. I got that shit as soon as it released. But yeah, here's the shirt. If you're familiar with them, you should probably know what it is by now. You might have saw it on the receipt. Could you? Yeah, you could have saw it on the receipt, but I don't really know. This is a, where was it? It is a size large, because that's my size. Got that classic Superrradical, like weird vinegar. If you could buy new clothes that are like printed, you should know what I mean. Like, it's like, it smells weird, you know? Okay, so here is the front of the shirt. It's a nice, let me see if I can get it. It's a nice tie-dye of some yellow, some orange, and some pink, and a little bit of white here and there, like right there. There's a little bit of white. But yeah, that's what it says on the front. It's just plain Superrradical. Normal tag. And on the back is where it gets good. Bada boom, bada beanie, okay? This is the Superrradical Go to Hell tie-dye shirt. Tyler himself, I remember him saying this. He said that it's gonna be like, he's gonna stop making the Go to Hell style of Superrradical shirts. I saw that on his live stream, swear to God. But I saw that this was in one of his drops, and I liked it a lot, so I was like, oh shit, I gotta get that. So, got it. Still kind of mad that they didn't send me a sticker, though. I remember them saying that, too. I don't have a knife. This next package comes from us from You're About to Find Out, but I don't really know if I want to shake it too much, because, yeah, you know? So, I got a pencil, and let's just poke a hole. Whoa, people are here. Part 2 comes soon.